The Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer is designed to unleash your creative potential with its impressive high-speed capabilities, allowing you to bring your designs to life rapidly. With its sturdy all-metal Core XY structure, this printer ensures exceptional stability during fast operations, delivering high-quality prints without compromising on intricate details. The innovative pressure sensing technology offers a hassle-free experience with automatic bed leveling, ensuring perfect initial layers and easy model removal with its dual-sided PEI platform. This user-friendly printer can be set up and ready to print in just 10 minutes, with smart management features accessible via a mobile app for convenient remote monitoring and control. The Adventurer 5M Pro's wide material compatibility, including PLA, ABS, and more, allows for diverse project applications, supported by its robust full-metal extruder reaching 280 degrees Celsius. Its efficient dual circulation system minimizes dust, providing a safer printing environment, while features like auto shutdown and filament detection enhance the overall user experience.